Welcome to IB Math Center. This is question number 6, part A of the Geometry and Trigonometry booklet. For those who are here for the answer to this question, the equation for the blue line is 2y minus 3x equals to 6. This equation, and for the red line, it is y plus x equals to 6. This one. For those who like to look at the solution, 2y minus 3x equals to 6, y plus x equals to 6. Feel free to pause the video here. And for those who like to understand the answer to this question, let us begin. We're given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 equations. Two of them are equations of, one of them is the equation of the blue line, the other is the equation of the red line. We've got to identify which one it is. One objective is to try and find the y-intercept of all of these equations. The other is to actually come up with the equations of these lines. So we can see that the coordinate, let's identify two coordinates on the red line. One of the coordinate is 0, 6. The other coordinate is 6, 0. We know the y-intercept. The y-intercept of the red line is 6. Let's just find the gradient. In order to find the gradient of the red line, we'll do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 0 is y2, 6 is y1, 6 here is x2, 0 here is x1. So the coordinates of this point are x1, y1. The coordinates of these points are x2, y2, right? So y2 minus y1. That's 0 minus 6 divided by x2 minus x1. That's 6 minus 0. Right. 0 minus 6 will give us minus 6. 6 minus 0 will give us 6. Dividing these two will give us minus 1. So the equation would be y equals to mx plus c. The value of the gradient has come out to be minus 1. So this would be y equals to negative 1x plus c. We know that the value of c is 6 because that's where the red line crosses the y-axis. That's the y-intercept. So that's minus 1x plus 6. Do we have anything here that's minus 1x plus 6? No, we don't. But we've got something like this, y plus x equals to 6. And can this change to this? Absolutely it can. All we have to do is just take negative 1x on the other hand side. So it's subtracting here. It would go there and add. So it'll become y plus 1x. We don't have to write 1 with x because when 1 is not mentioned, it is implied that the coefficient is 1. It will be y plus x equals to 6. So that's the equation of the red line, y plus x equals to 6. Let's quickly find out the equation for the green line, the blue line. We know the value of the y-intercept is 3. We just need to identify 2 points. I can see this point is negative 2, 0. And I can see this point is 0, 3. Using the same logic, we find the gradient of the blue line, y2 minus y1 would give me 3 minus 0 over x2 minus x1. That'll be 0 minus 2. Solving this will give me 3 over negative times negative is 2. So the gradient is 3 over 2. My equation would be y equals to mx plus c. I know my gradient is 3 over 2 and my c is 3. This would be y equals to 3 over 2x plus 3. Do I have anything in which y is the subject and gradient is written as a fraction? No, I don't. But I do see 2y, I do see 3. So that means I'll have to change this fraction into a whole number. In order to do that, I can multiply everything by 2 because the fraction is 3 over 2. So multiplying the left and the right hand side by 2 would give me 2y equals to, when I multiply 2 by 3 over 2x, the 2 and the 2's would cancel out. it'll just leave me 3x, and multiplying 2 by 3 would give me 6, and taking 3x to the other side will end up subtracting 3x from 2y and equating it to 6. Do I have something like that here? I do have 2y negative 3x plus 6. That's my answer. I hope you understood. If you think I rushed it, feel free to reach out to me, and I'm happy to make another video where I'll explain it slowly. Good luck.